Hi, Satana. Today we are going to Ikea, and I've never been, so it's gonna be an adventure.
We're in the parking lot. How do you feel?
Nervous.
Hi there. The reason our kitchen is so white is because we are clean and clear Christians, and we don't have any dirty little secrets in our home. I'm Claire Clarkham, parenting consulting.
You can do it all yourself, but you don't have to.
I don't have time to gather my own spices, so what I do is I print out slips of paper with them on it. I'm a rugged rule.
Why are you standing there filming me? I thought you were going to cook me food.
There are strangers in my home.
Come all the way to Ikea to watch a football game?
Yes.
Why? These girls are fools, punches. I am your reflection now. Which one is the real one? No.
May I help you? Welcome to my office.
Hi, I need to file some paperwork. I don't know. I don't.
Why? Why do you need to find paperwork?
I don't know.
What do you need? What kind of paperwork? You don't even know what kind of office this is.
Snow White would not be pleased. How do you like your bib?
People are staring. Enjoy my cake now. Here's the warehouse.
What?
Yeah. All right, well, we have completed Hannah's first Ikea experience. How do you feel?
Really good. I feel like it was a very positive experience.